case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for.
In the complex realm of employment discrimination laws and religious liberty, a case arose in 2012 that tested the boundaries of both. Hosanna-Tabor Evangelical Lutheran Church and School found itself at the center of a controversial lawsuit with its employee, Cheryl Perich. Perich, a teacher at the Lutheran school, claimed that her termination was explicitly discriminatory as it was, in her view, on the grounds of her disability. Not one to back down, Perich took her grievances to court. This initiated a complex series of legal maneuvers that would eventually lead to the most eminent court in the land, the Supreme Court of the United States. While Perich and her legal team fought for justice based on employment discrimination laws, the school was not without its defense. Invoking what is known as the ministerial exception, the school argued that as a religious institution, they were entitled to make determinative decisions on employment without government interference, even if those decisions involved a form of discrimination as perceived by Perich. The school claimed Perich was not merely an educator, but also a minister, and thus subject to the ministerial exception. The district court sided with Hosanna-Tabor, but the Court of Appeals for the Sixth Circuit reversed this judgment, concluding that Perich did not qualify as a minister under the exception. On the highest stage, the court ruled in Hosanna-Tabor's favor. It held that Perich was indeed considered a minister within the confines of the ministerial exception, given the religious nature of her work. As such, the First Amendment necessitated the dismissal of her lawsuit, protecting the school's right to employ and discharge ministers according to its discretion. In the same vein, the Supreme Court declared that Perich's pursuit of back pay and other damages was in essence penalizing the school for its religious decisions, which was prohibited under the First Amendment. However, the court was clear that its decision was specific to this instance, not expressing a ruling on the broader application of the ministerial exception. This landmark case served to reinforce a delicate balance, respecting the autonomy of religious organizations in their selection of ministers, while still upholding the nation's employment discrimination laws.
Case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for. Visit lsc.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.